if you start investing $100 at the age of 18, getting 7% interest, are you even listening to what I'm saying?
Yeah, can you Venmo me like $15 for Chipotle?
Teaching financial literacy to teens is like teaching somebody to drive by showing them the steering wheel. While it shows them a part of the driving process, it really doesn't show them how to apply that part.
Yeah, investing, very cool.
Wait. I need to put on the second video screen to keep the teams watching. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Okay, schools teach compound interest formulas, tax brackets, and amortization schedules. Meanwhile, teens graduate not knowing how to open a bank account, how to track their transactions, or how to get low interest rates. They know the theory, they don't know the practice. It's like learning Spanish by memorizing verb conjugations, but never ordering food from Taco Bell? What?
Tres Doritos Locos Tacos, por favor.
Here's what actually works. Teach them with money they're already using. They're on Venmo. Cool. Show them how payment apps connect to bank accounts, why overdraft fees happen. You have a part-time job? Walk them through a paycheck. Gross versus the net. What is FICA? And why their first check felt like a betrayal. Tell them about taxes and where they're supposed to go. Do they buy stuff? Well, of course they buy stuff. We know the answer to this. Show them how to track spending. Not with a spreadsheet. Most won't do that. But with a bank app. Oh wait, the second video just disappeared. Jingle, jingle, jingle. We love Subway Surfers. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Jingle, jingle. Okay, the biggest mistake that adults make is treating financial literacy so seriously or turning it into a boring lecture about the future. Well, Jimmy, someday you're gonna have to pay the bills. Young people don't care. When you're 80, you're not gonna be able to afford that trip. Teens don't care about retirement. Their brain isn't wired to think about 30 seconds from now, let alone 40 years from now. I mean, it's just neuroscience. But they do care about buying a car so they can impress girls or drive their friends to Kevin's house. They want to go to college to impress girls or go to the same college as Kevin. They also care about not getting scammed by girls on Instagram. Or Kevin, they want to have money for stuff they want. So teach them that. Show them how a credit card works and how to use a credit card before they max it out at 23%. Jingle, 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 jingle. Explain why paying rent on time builds credit, how student loans actually work, and what happens if they co-sign for Kevin's car. Real scenarios, real consequences, real money. And if you want to learn more, make sure to follow us on YouTube and keep watching our videos. See you next time.
Yeah, so like, are you gonna Venmo me that money or what?